Hey guys, so welcome back to another video. Today I have this a neutral with a bold lip type of look. If you guys want to see how I created it, then let's get started. The palette I'm using today is Voss Holy Grail palette. I'm going in with the shade hashtag, and I'm just using a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to be applying this shade all over my crease, and it's also going to be my transition shade. The next shade I'm using is Teddy Bear, and I'm using a small pencil brush. I'm going to be drawing a line basically where my crease cuts, and this is going to be like a guide for me to know where to cut in later with concealer. Okay, so I'm just applying product as I go. I am blending a little bit with the pencil brush, and I'm going back and forth with this pencil brush and the fluffy brush. I'm picking up a product as I go. I picked up a little bit more of Teddy Bear and try to blend it out, and then I went back in with the blending brush and I picked up a little bit more of hashtag and just blended those two shades together. It doesn't look clean right now at all, but I promise once we cut it, it's gonna look super sharp. So now I'm just going to bring you guys a little bit up close and personal to show you how I cut my crease. This is real time. I didn't speed it up or anything. I'm using a small detail brush, and this brush came in one of I think it was like a BH Cosmetics set that I got many years ago. So I'm just cutting my crease, and I'm not applying any more concealer. I'm just using whatever was already there, and the concealer I'm using is by Juvias Place, and this is the I Am Magic concealer in the shade 15. Okay, so now I'm going in with the shade Thanks a Latte, and I'm using a small flat brush, and I'm basically going to use this shade to set to my concealer and make sure it doesn't move or crease. So now I'm going to go in with this NYX Liquid Crystal Body Liner, and I'll be drawing a very thin line of eyeliner exactly where I cut my crease. And this is real time again. I didn't speed it up or anything. I wanted you guys to see how I do it. It just basically takes patience and just being really careful with it, because you don't want to mess up the work that you did while you were cutting the crease. So yeah, I'm just drawing a very thin line, and it's just going to give it the pop of shimmer, pop of glam, and it's going to look really pretty. Now I'm going to go in with a little bit more of Teddy Bear, and this time I'm using an angle brush. So I'm just going to be drawing a very thin line really close to my lash line. And for lashes, I'm using these Lash Kitty lashes, and these are in the style Pokerface. So I'm going to curl my lashes first, and then I'll be applying the falsies. As you guys can see, these lashes are very long and dramatic. I think they go perfect with the look because it doesn't have a lot of color. It's like a neutral look, but it's with like some full glam lashes. So yeah, these are really pretty. I think they go perfect with the whole look. So yeah, I'm just going to be applying these on, and then I'll be applying some liner to my waterline, and I'm using the NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in the shade Milk. And then I'm going back in with the same angle brush and more of Teddy Bear, and I'm just going to be blending it across my bottom lash line. And this is the combo I'll be using for my lips. I'm going to go in with the liner first, and this is by Italia Deluxe in the shade Darker Brown. It is really, really dark. So yeah, I'm just going to be lining my lips, and then I'll be applying my lipstick. And for lipstick, I'll be using Beauty Vaulte's matte liquid lipstick, and this is in the shade Beau Babe. So I'm just gonna be filling in my lips with this lipstick. And now I'm just going back in with a little bit more of liner and just lining my lips one more time. And I almost forgot to highlight my inner corner, so I'm going in with a little bit of toffee and I'm just applying it. As you guys can see, it just brings the whole look together. Alright you guys, and this is the final look. Here is a close-up of my eyes and how they turned out. I really like it. I think the glitter liner just gives it a pop of glam and everything. It just looks really pretty, really cute all together. I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you guys on my next video.